Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Predator 212 Turbo Kit is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for small engines, promising a significant horsepower boost and an exhilarating driving experience. However, before you jump into this exciting upgrade, it's crucial to understand the complexities involved, from installation challenges to the potential need for engine modifications and careful tuning to maintain reliability and longevity. This video will guide you through the process, highlighting key considerations and potential pitfalls to ensure a successful and safe turbocharged setup. Number 5. SOFO 212 cubic centimeters Performance Kit. This kit gives your mini bike a serious power boost. It's designed for top performance and easy installation. It's built to last with premium materials for the carburetor, air filter, and exhaust. Enjoy long-lasting durability and optimal performance. Everything you need is included for a quick and easy upgrade. No special tools or expertise required. It fits many popular mini bike models, including Coleman, Predator, and Honda clones. Check your model for compatibility before ordering. This kit includes a carburetor, air filter, exhaust pipe, and all the necessary hardware. You get everything you need in one box. We're confident in our product. That's why it comes with a 3-month coverage plan, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade. It's made with high-quality, long-lasting materials. If you want a simple, comprehensive solution, this is it. What people say. It arrived. I bolted it on, turned on the gas, and one pull later it was idling smooth as silk. At wide open throttle I needed to adjust the fuel screw slightly to smooth the engine, but it's perfect now. The stock carburetor on my Harbor Freight 212 cubic centimeters engine which I put this on did not have an adjustable fuel screw, so that is a nice feature on this one. This carb fit my 212 Predator engine perfectly. It cranked on the second pull. I also needed the new fuel line that was included in the kit. Good product for the money. Number 4. SOFO Predator 212 cubic centimeters Turbo Kit. Introducing the SOFO Predator 212 cubic centimeters Turbo Kit, designed to boost your engine's performance. It's a comprehensive upgrade that's easy to install and built to last. This kit includes a carburetor, air filter, and exhaust system, all crafted from premium materials for optimal performance and durability. You'll notice a significant difference. With all the necessary accessories included, installation is a breeze. Everything you need is right here in one convenient package, making upgrading your engine quick and simple. It fits a variety of models, including Honda GX160, GX200, Coleman CT200U, and many more. Check the product description to ensure compatibility with your specific engine. The kit comes with everything you need: carburetor, air filter, exhaust, spark plug, and all the necessary hardware. It's a complete solution for enhanced engine performance. We stand behind our product with a 3-month coverage plan. Upgrade your engine with confidence, knowing you're protected. What we like. This kit is perfect for a first-time upgrade. It's made of high-quality materials and is easy to install. If you're looking for a simple performance boost, this is the one for you. What people say. It arrived. I bolted it on, turned on the gas, and one pull later it was idling smooth as silk. At wide open throttle I needed to adjust the fuel screw slightly to smooth the engine, but it's perfect now. The stock carburetor on my Harbor Freight 212 cubic centimeters engine which I put this on did not have an adjustable fuel screw, so that is a nice feature on this one. This carb fit my 212 Predator engine perfectly. It cranked on the second pull. I also needed the new fuel line that was included in the kit. Good product for the money. Number 3. SOFO VM22 Carburetor Kit. It fits perfectly with various engines, including Predator 212, Coleman CT200U, and many more. It's designed for go-karts and mini bikes, giving you a perfect fit for your machine. This carburetor ensures a smoother, more powerful ride. It increases airflow and features a dust-resistant intake for optimal performance. It works with a wide range of engines, from Predator Hemi and non-Hemi 212 cubic centimeters to Coleman, Honda, and Baja models. You'll find it's the perfect fit for your engine. Everything you need is included, from air filters to gaskets. Upgrade your ride's look, function, and power all at once. Whether you have a Predator 212, a turbo kit, or a Coleman engine, it provides a smooth fit and noticeable performance gains. It's built for durability and peak power. Get ready to experience enhanced performance and a smoother ride. Add it to your cart now and enjoy the upgrade. What we like. This carburetor is designed for serious performance gains. It's compatible with a wide range of engines and will give you a noticeable power boost. If you're looking for maximum power and performance, choose this one. What people say. Fits perfect on my Predator 212 with no issues. It was easy to install and with little adjustments had my bike up and running again and fast, everything fit like it should, and for the price to power ratio it's great, had it installed for 2 months now and it is running like a champ, no issue and very durably. Comprehensive kit includes carb, intake, air filter, exhaust, fuel filter, gaskets and fasteners. The carb bowl attaches with screws, so you can easily remove to adjust float if needed. Fully check throttle cable and linkage for proper adjustments, for responsive tip-in, and no sticking acceleration. The exhaust pipe is thick-walled, and shouldn't bend or warp after many heat cycles. After a full afternoon of work, the kids' go-kart runs better than ever. Number 2. Predator 212 cubic centimeters Go-Kart Stage 4. Get ready to experience the thrill of speed and power. This kit is designed for those who demand the best in performance and customization. With its powerful 212 cubic centimeters engine, it delivers an exhilarating ride. Feel the adrenaline as you take control and conquer the track. This isn't just a go-kart, it's a statement. It's been engineered for peak performance, ready to push your limits. Experience optimized power and efficiency with its unique non-hemispherical design. It's built for speed and precision. Make it your own. This kit allows for extensive customization, so you can build the perfect machine to match your style. Despite its high performance, it's surprisingly easy to assemble. Get ready to hit the track quickly and easily. It's crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Enjoy years of thrilling rides. What we like. This is for those seeking the ultimate performance upgrade. It's specifically designed for non-Hemi engines and delivers exceptional power. If you demand top-tier performance, this is your choice. Number 1. Predator 212 Governor Removal Kit. Unleash your Predator 212 engine's full potential. This kit makes removing the governor quick and easy. It's designed for straightforward installation, even for beginners. You'll have it up and running in no time. Experience a significant boost in power and speed after installing it. Get ready to see what your engine can truly do. This kit is specifically designed for non-hemispherical Predator 212 engines. Please ensure compatibility before purchasing. It's the perfect solution for those seeking enhanced performance from their Predator 212 engine. Take control and maximize your engine's capabilities. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. No need to source additional parts. What we like. This kit unleashes your engine's full potential by removing the governor. It's perfect for those seeking higher speeds. If you want to unlock more speed, this is the kit for you. What people say. First off, once you open it you'll be blown away by the precision and finish due to its mesmerizing shine, but after you bury it under some less desirable appearing cast aluminum you'll be comforted to know you won't shoot a rod or shrapnel from a flywheel into your back and or leg after at least doubling the stock RPM range. Everything bolted up perfectly. Rod cap bolt 130 then 150 then final 170 inlobes or 14.1 foot-pounds, flywheel is 65 foot-pounds, head bolt 14 foot-pounds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.